Hello, I'm John Howard, and this is the Kahr Academy. Today I'll be talking about how to return a firearm. One of the most important steps is to fill out the warranty card, and that can be found on the website. For returns, you will also need to fill out a return authorization form, which is also on the website. Once you have submitted the return authorization form, you will receive an email with a case confirmation. If the firearm is under warranty, you will also receive a prepaid FedEx shipping label. For firearms that are not under warranty, it's necessary for the customer to ship the firearm at their cost using FedEx with a prepaid label or purchased at a FedEx site. Two important points. First, do not return firearms using the United States Postal Service. Second, it's highly advisable to ship firearms in a case rather than in a cardboard box by themselves to avoid damage. When you ship the firearm back, please put a memo in the box that includes the case reference number and your contact information, including an email address and a phone number. This has been the Kahr Academy. If you have any questions about Kahr products, please visit the website at www.kahr.com.